today's smoothie is gonna be strawberry. Well, yeah, today, because I woke up kind of late and then my mom came in the kitchen and she was taking a long time, so it's looking like a one smoothie day. So today's smoothie is gonna be strawberry. I'm gonna do half a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, half a cup of strawberries, a tablespoon of this peanut butter with no added sugar, and then half a cup of vanilla almond milk. Good morning. Today is Thursday morning. I think that makes it okay, day 5. So I wanted to talk about yesterday real quick before I get to my smoothie of the day and my workout today. I wanted to get on here real quick and talk about yesterday. So yesterday was, I guess you could call it a cheat day for me. I did start off with a smoothie. I made, I think, the banana mango smoothie. But yeah, I started off with a banana mango smoothie and I drank half of it, but then I wasn't really feeling it after I drank half of it. I guess, I don't know, the banana was a little too overpowering for me. I could only take a little bit of banana, and if you know anything about smoothies, once you add bananas to it, it's over. After that, I had White Castle for lunch. And this wasn't planned, this is all spontaneous, but I just went with it because that's what I wanted. I didn't get it for myself. Basically, my sister got me food yesterday because we were playing games. It was just a really chill day in the house. So I had White Castle. I didn't eat as much as I'm used to eating, but I still enjoyed myself. And I also had a mini smorgasbord Chinese food for dinner. I drank soda, not Coke Zero, the sugary soda. I drank soda. And I had a blast. I had a fucking blast. But today, I'm gonna go back on track. So I say all that to say, I noticed I feel better. I'm not giving myself no type of restrictions. Now, me personally, for day to day, I don't do sugary drinks. And I don't do, and this is just this is not my lifestyle, obviously, if I'm going on a damn weight loss journey. But this has been since last week or the week before. I don't do sugary drinks. I'm not doing, none of that. But I did have a cheat day yesterday. But yeah, side note, do not watch my 600-pound life while hungry, because some of them be eating some good ass food, and that's the main reason why we even was craving Chinese food yesterday, is because we saw one episode, Shorty had all all the good shit from that Chinese food spot. She put it all on her stomach, and I was just that looked good. I'm not gonna lie. I indulged a little bit in some cravings or whatever, but now I'm right back to it. I'm not gonna beat myself up about it because I got what I wanted. That's what I want. As far as food, I've been doing really good. As far as the smoothies, I've been doing really good. Because even before I did the 2 smoothie things for 21 days, whatever, I was still incorporating smoothies here and there because I have a little bit of fruit, frozen fruit, to do it. But now I'm just going all out with it. Have a cheat day, so what? Just don't make it a cheat week or a cheat month or something like that. So what? Indulge yourself. Still challenge yourself to take a lesser portion of what it is that you what you crave, or your favorite comfort food or whatever, and then keep it pushing. It's not a big deal. It may slow down your progress a little bit, but so what? Honestly, me personally, from past experience, whenever I have a mindset to so what, keep going, I still made progress. It's only one day. Especially if it's only one meal. Let's say you have dinner with a little bit of dessert, so what? Or you have something unhealthy for lunch, so what? keep pushing. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be working out, and then I order some groceries, and then when they get here, I'm gonna cook some food. So I think I'm actually going to show me cooking the food if I'm able to, because I might not be able to, because it depends on if I'm able to start cooking my dinner before I gotta pick up my son from school or after. Because if it's after, forget about it. Because yeah. But yeah, on to the workout. So today is Saturday, day 7, which means I also have a full house. So if you hear any background noise, whatever. It hasn't been super difficult. I have had at least one smoothie every day. I have not been sticking to the 2 smoothies, but I have had at least one smoothie every day. So I've had at least one smoothie every day. By now you'll see all the smoothies that I've had. I've been working out every day. The only days that I haven't been working out, I had like somewhere to go, but instead of taking the bus, I did walk to the train, and so that was like my workout, and back home too, I walked. So that was like my workout for the day. And then on Fridays I rest. I don't do shit. I rest. I give myself the day to sleep in, to do whatever self-care thing I need to do. Really one day out the week where I don't really do anything, and that's on Friday. I've worked out every single day, I believe. I think Monday I might not have worked out. I did a little workout this morning. I kind of freestyled it because everyone was already in the living room, which is where I do my workouts and everything. So I was just like, all right, well, while y'all playing y'all music and you know the kids are doing their little thing, I'm gonna work out. I'm gonna bring my yoga mat out. I'm gonna work out to the music that y'all listening to. So that's what I did today. Overall, weird things that I've noticed. I have not lost no weight at all. I've lost like maybe a few ounces, but whatever. I'm not really looking at the weight. I could kick myself because on last Sunday I did not I did not take my measurements of my body, and I'm pretty sure those have changed a little bit, because I could just feel it. I also have way more energy. I walked a lot, and I didn't lose my breath at all from any of that. I also noticed that since I started taking the smoothies, I wasn't as consistent last week, well not last week, the past week, but the week before, but I still was, you know, drinking smoothies and increasing my fruit and veggie intake. And I have noticed that since then to right now, my hair has grown, like had a major growth spurt, because I chopped it all off, and it just wasn't growing. And it's winter time, my hair just like, it's hit or miss. My hair and skin, it could either like survive the winter or it could just be horrible. And this winter my hair has been horrible, my skin has been horrible. But I have noticed a growth spurt in my hair ever since I started drinking the smoothies. Okay, so what I'm gonna challenge myself to do next week is to have the 2 smoothies, and for snack, instead of just having regular snacks or just eating a full ass meal and saying, oh, it's my snack, or having fast food, because I did do that twice or 3 times this week. I had fast food. Not only just the smoothies, but also the healthier, cleaner-ish eating. And also, instead of snacking on like a regular snack, like instead of grabbing a bag of chips, I'm gonna have more like the keto-friendly snacks that they sell in the stores. So, and also like nuts and fruit and yogurt, like the solid version. I wouldn't mind doing that. So that's gonna be my challenge for this upcoming week. Plus, I think I want to work out a little bit more. Like my stamina has definitely been boosted. There's an increase in my stamina. I know I can handle more. I did a plank today. I never did planks before. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So that is me wrapping up this week, week 1. Week 2, I'm going even harder because my goal, I want to see some type of results by Valentine's Day, which means it may not be a whole, dress size down, but I want to at least see and feel some type of results by Valentine's Day.
Sorry for having to end so abruptly, but thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to update you on how next week goes. Bye. See you the next time.